I'm cooking eggplants and yam. These are here yam, and I cut it. Actually, I peeled and washed and left in the water, but I'm going to take out and put it in there. Just in a few moments, I'm going to add it in there. This is a tomato sauce, a cumin seed, and one cinnamon stick, and chopped onions. So now, chopped onion, I put tomato sauce to fry a little bit. So it's very easy to cook, and I'm going to add this few things: turmeric powder, red chili powder, salt, and this is garlic and ginger paste. I make it in home and I mix it. So then I'm gonna, these are the eggplant which I'm going to put it edge. So this is edge right here. So the two egg I'm gonna now peel and cut it in pieces, and I'm gonna add after that. Now and I'm gonna add carom seed. Carom seed also called ajwain, and here's the carom seed. I'm gonna add after I add water, because carom seed, it get burned, the taste will be like a burning seed, so that taste will be less. So have to be, once added water, carom seed should go after that, not once it's frying. So now I'm going to add 1 spoon of carom seed here. It's a very good taste. Now so I'm going to add the yam first. It will fry in there. When water will be dry, the yam will be fried a little bit and start cooking. Then I'm going to add eggplant. I'm going to peel, and I will make it small pieces, cut it in pieces, and I'm going to add in there, and add 1 cup of water, and I will let it cook. So now I'm going to just fire is a hole, and I will